internet, I'm back once again, and in this video you'll see me making an abstract painting with watercolors. Look at this flow of the colors, this is so nice. Okay, so I decided to make an abstract watercolor painting. I've used 200 GSM cold pressed watercolor paper and a flat brush of size 10, and I have used shades of reds and oranges and yellows, and yes, I have just take the color and used a brush and just split the color all over my sheet with a lot of water, like a seriously lot of water.
A few moments later.
Now you see the gradient, it has all mixed up. The colors look so pretty and they have just perfectly mixed up with each other, and it looks awesome. Okay, so I have taken a golden pen, gold metallic pen basically, and I have drawn some random lines, a line pattern I guess, in along the diagonal of the sheet. Really random lines, curvy lines, to make it look more flowy and giving it that abstract look, I guess. So that's it. This was a very easy and simple tutorial on doing an abstract painting using watercolors. I hope you like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Sunday. Till then, bye bye.